Right, Jason?
It's face-off time.
Face off.
Me against you.
Continental, British. Continental, British.
So Kev has picked a British camper van that suits him, and I've picked a Continental van that suits me. So Kev, what have you picked?
I picked the Swift Champagne Edition.
Yeah, 122.
122.
And why have you picked it?
I like the colour. It's associated with alcohol.
6 metres.
6 metres.
6 metres as well.
Yep. 16-inch wheels.
Yeah.
Awning.
Yeah.
It's only 2 berth.
Okay.
This is all I need for me and the missus.
So, dinettes first.
Dinette.
Let's go and have a look at your dinette.
There.
Was that it?
Yeah.
Okay, so why have you gone for this dinette?
Right, because you've got a pedestal there, yeah. Pedestal here.
Yeah.
If you open the wardrobe, there's a pedestal table. You can have a single.
Let me just have a look. Yeah, we've got a round table there, Kev.
You've got a little round one that'll go in.
And then above.
And then above you've got a large one that'll go
Yeah.
in. The pedestal table also comes with a tripod,
Yeah.
so you can have it outside.
Okay. How would you go about sleeping in this?
Sleeping, ideal. I prefer it because I would use it as 2 singles.
Okay. Yeah, I see what you're saying.
2 singles? Yep.
Okay.
You can, if you wanted. Obviously you want a wider single than that.
Yeah.
So you just pull it out part way,
Yeah.
slide this cushion out, drop that cushion back. You got a nice wide double, single.
Yeah.
Same on the other side. Still gives you room to get out, use the loo, use the kitchen. So
I can see why you picked it there, Kev. 2
you
singles.
could, if you wanted it as a double, slide them both together and have a double.
Would you really want to?
No.
Okay.
More practical to have 2 singles.
Yeah, so because there's just the 2 of you,
Yeah.
I can see why.
And the wife can still reach me when I start snoring to give me a clank. So
Now there's going to be 4 of us,
Yep.
so I'm going to show you a little camper van as well. I think mine's less than 6 metres.
Yep.
Forgot actually. This is the Dreamer D43 Addict. They must have rang me up for that name. It's made by Rapido and it's the Dreamer range, so let's come and have a look inside mine. I'll tell you how big this is, Kev. Mine is 5.41 metres. So you've gone greedy and gone for a 6 metre van, because there's only 2 of you. I've got 4 and I've gone for a 5.5 metre. So, dinette area, we've got the 2 seats that turn around.
Yep.
Nice dinette there.
Yep.
Yeah. And we can all enjoy food.
Table extends, yeah.
Like that. And then at night, I've got my double bed over there.
Yeah. Yeah, good size double.
Yeah. Like that.
Which also lifts up for storage.
I've got
So
storage
you
over
can
there.
carry a
Kev.
bike. You can carry a bike in it.
Yeah.
There.
So there you go, that's my sleeping.
That's only 2 berth.
Oh, you want more, do you, Kev?
Yeah.
Go outside and witness this van's transformation. Watch this. With one hand, I go like so.
Transformers in disguise.
Look at that.
There we go.
There you go. I've got the world's strongest hinges.
Yeah.
Like that.
Good size pop top that.
Yeah. You liking that?
Yeah.
I will then, after I've done my day's job of window cleaning, bring my ladder.
Madam Cleaning Windows. Who sang that? Madam Cleaning Windows.
He's off again, folks.
Good. Who
Come
sang
on.
When I'm Cleaning Windows?
Let us know in the comments.
Yep.
It's just for fun, no prize.
Everybody will know it anyway.
When I'm cleaning windows.
You just give it away.
Now,
now.
Kev, I want you to get up there and tell me what you think.
Oh, that's a good sized bedroom, isn't it? Get me. Oh, look at that.
You liking that, Kev?
Yeah, that's nice. That. And it's got a nice memory foam mattress.
Proper, isn't it?
Yeah. That's good. That. I like that. You got your nets pull up if you got kiddies up there.
Yeah.
That's good.
I even have the option, Kev.
Mm-hmm.
I even have the option, if I want to, I can make a little emergency bed as well, with which I can drop this down here, see the
Yeah.
rail there,
Yeah.
drop that down and make a little bed by swiveling the seat around. Small little one, emergency bed.
Yeah.
So
that's your sleeping arrangement.
That's my sleeping thingy. I want to see, what are we going to move to next? We'll go kitchen.
Kitchen and washroom, yeah.
Kitchen and washroom. Off you go.
Before you get in, three-way fridge.
Three-way fridge, yeah.
Good size three-way fridge.
Okay.
We've got good size sink.
Okay, yeah.
Lifty up thing to give you a nice big work area.
And both these vans, Kev, before anybody asks, is they're both heating and hot water and work off the gas and electric.
I've got a 3-burner hob in this.
Yeah.
And I've got a combined oven grill.
Yeah. Very British.
Very British.
Very British.
Yeah, yes. Very bulldog.
And then washroom.
Washroom. Really good size washroom, Jason. We've got...
I like this, how this turns.
You've got a bifold door.
Yeah.
So even you can see in the washroom now.
And look at that.
You've got a good size wet room.
Yeah.
Swivelly toilet. Drop down wash basin.
Has that got a plug hole in?
Got a plug hole in it as well.
Ah. Now before anybody
Skylight
says
as well.
that Kev's stupid, it shouldn't have a plug. Of course it's got a plug hole in. The majority of these, what happens,
You
Kev?
just tip into a trough at the back which then runs out.
There you go.
I think I prefer it with a plug hole.
Okay. Follow me.
You'll see.
Now I'm only 5.5 metres, don't forget. I do get my lifty uppy thing.
Yep.
Yeah.
Quite a tall bloke, eh? 5.5 metres.
Sink.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't need any more, Kev.
2.
My culinary knowledge, I can rustle up anything with 2.
Beans on toast.
Beans on toast, tomatoes on toast, cheese on toast. But I am getting a grill and an oven there.
Yeah.
Small one. Difference for me is I'm getting a compressor fridge. And a good sized compressor fridge there.
Good fridge of compressors.
And then come tether, heather, whatever
the
you
one
want to do.
advantage with the compressor, it'll work when your van's not level.
Exactly. Look at that for a washroom.
That's a good washroom. Nice sink.
Yeah, nice sink, nice size, everything.
Storage behind the mirrors.
Yeah. Just want to point out for this, what you don't see on a lot of camper vans, have a look at the front.
Ah, you've got a nice skylight. Nice sunroof.
Do you like that?
Yeah. Gives you more light, doesn't it? A lot more light.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Now this is a 2022 van, so we are getting the more modern
More modern dash. Yeah.
dashboard.
I like the seats as well with the combined headrest.
Like them.
Rather than a separate headrest here.
And then you've got a lovely comfy bed.
Yeah.
So for a little 5.5 metre, the big difference is we're getting the pop top, which is making a great bed there. Really is making a difference. We're getting everything you're getting in yours. Probably the one advantage with yours, it is only the 2-berth, but you're getting the long bench seats, especially in just a 6-metre van. So
I think price-wise, the Swift's probably
there's
cheap.
probably, because that's a 2017, so there's probably about 10 grand between the two. But there's an option where, yes, you can go on holiday with a family in a 5.5 metre camper van comfortably and still have all the mod cons.
You struggle in a Volkswagen camper van, but in something like this.
And also,
you got your heating, you got your hot water, you got
we've got everything. Just a quick pointer out. The other one had the Dreamer. This is the Webasto, and that's the hot water. So that's the heating on the diesel. And again, 6-metre van there. We've got 2 great beds, and you're still getting everything you need. So let us know in the comments which you prefer. And if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in another one.
Okay, bye.
Bye.